Hello everyone, in today's video I'll share with you my quick and easy weight loss dal recipe. It doesn't take long to prep and it's great while you're watching your diet. So for this recipe you need pressure cooker. We'll start with no oil at all because it's for people who are trying to lose weight, therefore I'm completely avoiding oil. So here I got one large chopped onion, and then I've got one fresh green chili. You can increase or decrease according to your taste. After that, I've got 1 tablespoon of ginger and 1 tablespoon of garlic. I'm using half a can of chopped tomatoes. If you would like to use fresh tomatoes, please go ahead. You would need about 2 medium-sized tomatoes. It's time for spices. 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of kitchen king masala, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Here I've got 1 cup of green Moong beans. I have washed them and drained them. You can soak if you would like to. If you can soak it for about a few hours, let's say 4 to 5 hours, it'll take less time to cook and less water as well. So remember, if you've soaked the green Moong beans, make sure you add less water. Mix well and cook them for about 30 to 45 minutes. Because they are not soaked, that's why it'll take time. If you have soaked the beans, then you would only need about 30 minutes. Here I'm adding about 3 to 4 cups of water, or a little bit more because they are not soaked. As you can see, the pressure cooker is halfway full with water. Close the lid properly and put it on high heat. Once it starts the pressure, please make sure you reduce the heat. After 30 minutes, switch off the gas and let all the pressure go out by itself. It'll take about 10 minutes. Now my moong dal beans are completely cooked. I can see they're a little bit thick, so I'll add about half a cup of boiled water. It looks like a perfect consistency to me. So here you go, I'll serve it now. You can garnish this with either chopped coriander or chopped green onions. If you like my video, please hit like button and do subscribe and click on the bell icon so you won't miss my future videos. Thank you.